Holy mackerel. When it thunders here, it thunders. Yeah, it never rains, but it pours. But this is Flores Island, Indonesia, and it's kind of like a sun shower. Um, yeah, lots of water coming down. Well, that's good. It looked a little dry around here, so I think it needs it. What time is it? I don't know. 4 o'clock, just after 4 o'clock. That's an island right there. It looks like part of Flores, but it's actually an island. It's like a pyramid shape. I could probably swim there. I might even give it a go tomorrow. I haven't snorkeled here yet, but I've heard from the locals that this is one of the best places for diving. Hotel Sylvia, and around there, there's a reef. I might walk up the road, go for a hike, go for a 1 kilometer hike to get to that other beach over there tomorrow, Tuesday, and then Wednesday I'm going on my tour. I finally was able to break open into my safe again. I had a maintenance worker here arrive, and he figured that out. He put in a code or whatever. So, from 14-hour time zone differences away from BC and 12-hour time zone differences away from Ontario, I'm closer to Ontario than BC. Go figure that one out. And this boat moored over here, it kind of reminds me of Fletcher Christian and Mutiny on the Bounty. And I don't know who burnt down the ship. I read Pitcairn Island. I read all those books. I know. But this is my island home for now. So, I wish all best of peace and prosperity. There's tons of mango trees. Listen to that. It just shakes you. It rumbles you. And I can only imagine what it felt like when all these people experienced the big one, the earthquake in 2018. Many people lost their lives. Many people died. Many homes were lost. Kind of sad. So, yeah, it's slightly sunny. I don't know if the boat's going over there still. But I gotta pay for this tour. I felt it best to book 2 days in advance, so it's Monday today, November the 14th. Happy birthday, Lorna. And here I am in Flores. This island is 350 kilometers long and 60 kilometers wide. It's a much bigger island than Bali or Lombok. There's thousands of islands around here. I don't know. I got 5 more days, and I intend to make the best use of them. And hopefully I make it back to Bali. Justin Trudeau is in Bali right now. Biden is in Bali right now. The only one who's not invited is Putin. So, yeah. It never rains, but it pours. And what I've discovered is there's plenty of fish in the sea.